Hey, what's up, Santiago? What's up, Investor Z? Mm, I think that's gonna be the last time I use Blue Sky, though. I think that's gonna be the last time. I mean, I kind of thought about it because I wasn't really thinking about it like that. But so, so you missed the perfect 50 on NQ. Where at exactly? I mean, across 10 days, I made 23K, or actually 24K, and I'm now a live trader with Blue Sky, which is crazy because I traded for 10 days, 24K, and I didn't even get a payout. I don't know why I thought that was something that I wanted to do. I don't know why I thought about that. Or I don't know why I didn't think about that before. I guess the static drawdown is all I thought about. It was like, man, having a static drawdown is awesome. But yeah, this will be the last time I have a stat. Yeah, this will be the last account. So I'll keep this account as long as possible. But I'll have it for next week, hopefully. But I think moving forward, I'm going to stick with Lucid, and I'm going to stick with how is it called? Top Step. The futures desk is the same thing. I mean, it is nice having $6,000 of static drawdown though. That is pretty cool. I may well, I may stick with them, but they're not gonna have Top Step X anymore, so that sucks. Or Project X anymore after next month. Uh, so moving forward, especially after Project X becomes exclusive to Top Step, it's mostly going to be Top Step accounts. So I'm basically a Top Step trader at this point. Um, and I'll have a couple of Lucid accounts here and there to trade on NinjaTrader. Yeah. But I already got my ATM strategy set up for Lucid. I'm in a funded account. I gotta make forgot. I think I need to make like $720 daily in this account. I can lose. I can lose two trades. So my goal is if I lose two trades, then I should just stop for the day. I should just stop. But I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do that. Pretty sure I'm not going to do it. That kind of behavior is just not. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to try my best to get my money back. But what I won't do is I won't be impatient for waiting for the setup anymore. That's something that I've been super not doing, is being impatient and not waiting for the setup. Mm. I think um I guess I'll keep it for right now. We'll see. See, I'll adjust it when I need to. Oh. Yeah, I think so. Or it would make sense for them to do that. Especially since Top Step has basically their whole business is built on top of Top Step X or Project X. And they put themselves in a situation where they can no longer go back to other platforms. I don't think any platform would accept them. And if they do, it'll probably be for like double the price. And on top of that, they made a public, I mean, the way that they did it, they made a public statement saying that, we're going to go all in on Top Step X. And that's what we're doing. So for them to go back and reach back out and have other firms or like NinjaTrader 8, Trade of 8, et cetera, to have those types of accounts available, it wouldn't be a good look, because that would suggest that Top Step X is not, quote unquote, the best platform to trade as they so claim. So it wouldn't be a good look. So it's in Top Step's best interest for Top Step X to work. So that's where my assumption is coming from. I mean, if they stop trying to be cute, I think what's happening is that they're trying to be cute behind the scenes. I think, and this is just an assumption, I don't know, but usually when you build a simple program, it works simply. When you start to add features to that simple program, that's when bugs start to happen and things start to break. They made a statement talking about forming a prop firm cartel where they share information across firms. I'm pretty sure behind the scenes, if this wasn't something that wasn't implemented in the original version, I'm pretty sure they're just collecting data. And that data collection is probably what's breaking stuff in the background. But that's my assumption based on, just personal knowledge, personal experience from what I've seen personally. Is usually when you add complicated features that ingest data or takes data in real time or tries to do something in real time, it usually breaks something. So yeah, I mean, shit. Well, Trade of 8 needs to do some work too, because I mean, I mean, let's just be honest. Tradevate, it has no right to talk because I'm pretty sure everybody here has experienced the same issues on Tradevate that they've experienced on Top Step X when the market becomes super volatile, like not being able to close your position, or the market lagging, or Tradevate completely crashing. I mean, they have no room to talk. They had the same problems. But I do welcome them. I do welcome them implementing the risk settings. Their copy trader sucks though. I mean, fix your copy trader first. Fix that. And Cave Trader sent last night that if you're using a Trader Sync, they have a similar. I'll show that to you guys right now. They have a similar feature where you can lock out your account. Now I don't know how they're able to do this, because I mean, if you really want to trade, all you gotta do is disconnect TradeSync, unless it's not that simple. All you gotta do is disconnect it. But TradeSync has the same feature where you can lock yourself out of your account. So I think a lot of firms have recognized that a lot of people really enjoy the risk settings and not being able to adjust them in times of tilt. And now they're moving to implement that themselves, which is a good thing. Because that's the only reason why I want to trade on Project X. It's for the risk settings. It's going to hold me responsible for following my plan, or keep me accountable for following my plan. And I've already shown myself that I'm not going to do that. And when I'm on tilt, obviously. No. I thought I had this already set up. I guess I did. Yeah, and yeah. In my opinion, I think obviously the most complete platform is NinjaTrader 8. I haven't seen any other platform that offers the same tools. But silver is definitely being well, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. I mean, the market is in an uptrend, so I'm going to trade in that direction, because it's kind of hard to counter trend silver. It really is. It did take out the previous day's high. It did take out previous day high, so. Hmm. I guess technically, it just do that. Okay. Well, hmm, I know we had non-farm payroll today. We had non-farm payroll today. Looks like on the NQ, the news came out at 7:30. It looks like whatever. I mean, well, I mean, despite the news, I mean, I don't want to really even talk about the news. I mean, what the market did was it swept yesterday's orb, and then we saw the market dump here. We're seeing silver missing my entry. Man, silver, I mean, damn, dude. It's like that. All right, so we're seeing silver completely miss my entry. And silver did that last night. Silver missed me by like a tick and literally ran. I don't know what the heck that was. Like it literally missed me by a tick right here. Missed me by a tick and then it completely runs. Okay. So it's obvious that silver is probably trying to get somewhere. It already took out yesterday's high. We got news at 10 or 9 o'clock too. I guess it is 10 o'clock for you guys. Let's look at that. Okay, so yeah. We have consumer sentiment coming up. Consumer sentiment, and we also have Crash Kari speaking as well. So we'll see how the Bears react to their hero speaking. I mean, they are arresting orders right there. So. Let me look at gold real quick. Okay. Yeah, gold is breaking to the downside now. Gold is definitely a roller coaster ride now. If you find yourself in the middle of this range, you got chopped up before it actually went into your direction. And depending on sizing and risk, you definitely got stopped out. This candle probably stopped a lot of people out right here, and then it went into their direction. Actually, that's probably what happened. I mean, shit, gold was liquidity hunting like a mother. She was hunting for liquidity. She made sure she took out that low, this low, almost taking out this low, almost double bottoming at this low right here. Yeah, so gold was definitely liquidity hunting for sure. Mm. Okay. All right, so that went to 610. Okay. So it seems like, I mean, obviously the market is trending. That means silver's trying to get somewhere. We're we're keep or silver is consistently breaking structure to the high, making higher highs, making higher lows. We just broke structure again. Oh, we just broke structure again. Mm. We are coming into an area of previous supply, though. We are coming into an area of previous supply, so we could see maybe a small drop here, or we'll see the market uh, run stops at these highs, and we'll see like a push higher. Now we have a block of orders sitting at 79.5. 79.5 is where we got some liquidity sitting at right now. Okay. All right. Still running those highs. All right. So we got 5 more minutes until the 9 o'clock algo hits. Mm. Look who decided to work. I didn't notice this. Looks like the gamma levels are in, and we're definitely in a positive environment. But I mean, honestly, you really don't even need the gamma levels to tell you. Yeah, look how the market just bounced at this biggest gamma level on silver right now, or not right now, but got this big bounce, and the market is just going higher. So let's see if there's another. Yeah, so I'm surprised that we don't have a lot of gamma sitting at 100. Our next biggest level is at 75, and the next one after that is 80. So 75 and 80 looks like it could be the target for a lot of silver traders right now on the option market. Okay, I'm gonna keep my limits where it's at. I'm gonna see if we can kind of get a pullback here. Probably sweep this low. So I think that the market's gonna want to come back to this area, or unless they don't. I mean, if it keeps going higher, we'll try to trade the pullback, but we'll try to get in on a pullback. All right, we got 2 more minutes until the news comes out. Yeah, it looks like I'm just gonna be chasing silver. Chasing. So I do expect for the market to come back, and probably run this and probably try to go lower, but mm, I doubt it. But that's a perfect order block right there. It balanced right at the 50. It's right at that 50 right there. Interesting. Yo, thanks for that, Alfred. So apparently the Supreme Court would not rule on Trump's tariffs case. I kind of figured that was going to happen. I kind of figured. I kind of figured. All right, so looks like we're getting a drop here. I guess we'll see. We'll see if the market wants to pull back and fill the limit and be nice to me here. I'm not going to move the limit. If we see the market continue to break out higher, then I'll move my limit up to the next area of support. But until it does that, because technically the market has broken structure to the upside, but it hasn't sustained the move yet. So, so this can easily, we can easily see a deep pullback here. To type range on NQ. Yeah, it's still within the opening range too. I wonder if NQ is going to fake out at the lows here. I don't know why that's on there. I wonder if you're going to see a fake out at the lows here. Okay. It looks like we're getting that pullback. Oh, you think so? Well, I mean, the EMAs are flat. We are starting to see the short and medium term and long term EMAs, actually all the EMAs, starting to slope down here. We're starting to see all the EMAs begin to slope. VWAP is still sort of flat there, so we'll see. We'll see. I mean, technically, right now, you're going to take a trade. It should be on the bear side. We just made a lower high. Lower high. We haven't taken out that low yet, so we'll see. Again. Technically, yeah. All right, so yeah. So they ran out all the buyers underneath that orb low, and it looks like price is pushing right back into the orb. So actually, it took out pre-market's low. Actually, took pre-market's low out. Interesting. 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 Yeah, the longs are working at those lows. Yeah. Damn. Well, we did take out that low though. So I mean, technically it broke structure. So this could be the market pushing higher for sure. It could be. It could be. Did you take that trade yourself, Alfred? And if so, were you able to survive uh, that liquidity sweep going to the downside? Yeah, on 3 micros. I think the hardest part about trading in a very systematic way. This is why I always try to find a more aggressive, proactive way of trading. Is that on days where the market doesn't necessarily pull back, you gotta wait. You gotta watch all this price action play out without you. You gotta watch it play out without you. Mm, okay. All right. I mean, there's still a bunch of orders sitting at 795 right now. So, um, it's like people are trying to either take profits as trying to front run that 80 level, or we got aggressive sellers. I mean, I guess it could be accurate to say that we both have aggressive sellers at that area, because regardless if you're a buyer or a seller, you're going to sell at that area. You're going to open a sell position, and if you're a buyer, you're going to close out and you got to sell your position up there. So I guess it's accurate to say we have aggressive sellers sitting at 79.5 on right there on Bookmap. 79.5. So we'll see what happens at this level. I'm pretty sure we all know what's going to happen when price gets here. We already know. The way that silver's been running, that shit's going to get ran. Still going to leave my order where it's at until we see the market break above 400. If you see a breakout above that 400 level at this high, and I'm using silver, so silver actually got to 79.4. Micro silver didn't, so I'm pretty sure it's going to try to correct that eventually. But I chart on silver, not on micro silver, just to. Silver has less noise. I do the same thing when I trade gold. I chart on the gold chart, the mini chart. It has less noise, less wicks. Hmm. Well, I guess that was the move right there. And I guess what I should do is that was the move. A retest of 285. So if I got long at this low right here, in order to get my target hit, well, actually, I don't have a 90 tick target right now. With this Lucid account, all I need is 72 ticks. And if I got in at the lows right there, I would have got my target hit right there at these highs. Dude, I actually do see that happen a lot. I do see that happen. Okay. Well, that always sucks. That always sucks to see. You're trying to patiently wait for the entry and it's just not giving it to you. Okay, so let's see if if I took this entry right here, my target would have definitely been filled. All right. So silver right now is playing hard to get. She's playing a game of cat and mouse right now. She wants me to chase her, and I'm just not gonna do that. Just not gonna do it. Let's see if she breaks this high right here. If she breaks this high, then She breaks this high and hold. We can definitely see a stop run here. And there is that area on Bookmap 79.5 where there's a bunch of aggressive sellers sitting. We should see it on this little algo. We'll see. All right. Yeah, kind of figured. When we're seeing aggressive buying. All right, so we're seeing aggressive buying above that high. That's obviously a break of that level. So decisions. Yeah, silver's just gonna drop. Silver's gonna drop. $797.50. Okay. I'm gonna take that 50 trade right there. We'll see if I made a mistake here. We'll see. I'm gonna take that trade. I already know how much I'm gonna make. I want to keep this on ticks. Okay. We're in one possibly. We're looking for the market to sell off at that 50 right there. Well, not necessarily sell off, but just a rejection. Okay. I guess this is to be expected with how bullish everything is right now. This is to be expected. We did see an initial rejection here, but it would have been nice if this thing just kind of pulled back a little bit deeper. Okay. That was a nasty liquidity hunt right there. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. I guess I am. Yeah, this is a news move, isn't it? Mm. We do have some aggressive buying at R4 right now. Says too hard to re-enter. Yeah, I agree. Well, this is a news move, so I mean, we could see just an aggressive move higher. I mean, like we're seeing now. Yeah, I mean, it broke the orb high, so I would just wait for that pullback really for a re-entry. You said there's a 1 hour. Oh yeah, okay. And you're talking about all the way up there at 81.72, right? That's probably where the market's trying to go. Eventually, I mean, obviously, eventually it'll get there. Oh, you're talking about you're talking about NQ. I thought you were talking about Silver or Santiago. Yeah. Mm. And the market is bullish. I'm trying to short a bullish market, so. Uh, well, I am shorting a bullish market. I'm trying to. I am. Oh yeah, this little line right here, huh? Hmm. I wonder. I wonder. Okay, let's see. Because this is where all the orders were sitting at on Bookmap. Let's see if they try to come in at this level. Mm. Mm. Well, isn't that ironic? The irony in that. It's okay. The irony in that. Yeah, what's up, Tony Gold? Bulls are being super aggressive now on silver here. Super aggressive. They don't want the market to pull back. Yeah, it definitely is. Mm. Shit, silver used to, man, silver used to just be so good and not overshooting, and now it's like 27 ticks. That's 27 ticks. It just overshot 27 ticks from that 50 area, but and I could have had my thing measured wrong. Or and like I said, this is a move, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna see this big move higher, and we're gonna probably see a big drop to follow up. Now we have a bunch of aggressive sellers here at 80. Nice. Okay, bounce off of the 1 hour fair value gap. One in Q. Mm. We are coming up to that orb high, so pay attention to that. Orb high is coming. Is that break even? Yeah, they literally bounced it at that area with all those orders. I mean, they missed it by a couple ticks, but all those orders that was sitting in that area. It's always the trades that you take. It's always the trades that you take where it doesn't fucking work. But when you sit here and watch it play out, oh my God, it works. Look at how perfectly it rejects at that level. My God. Always the trades that you take. information does actually really? I mean, that's not how I ever want to trade for it. And the likelihood of me even taking the trade is something known. Honestly, I really don't even know. I guess I just have to look to the left and look at the structure, I guess. Take a chance on it. I mean, this missed it entirely. This missed it entirely. But I make sure you're following the rules. Make sure you're following the rules. This was you know what happened. I don't know. I don't know. Because this makes obviously this one. Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. Oops. Congratulations on that. Yeah, the 1 hour gaps, I tend to see that these are very accurate. Like the market does react at when it gets there. You said that you took your first loss. So shit, I'm right there in the same boat with you, Cave Trader. I'm in the same boat with you, man. Man, I guess you can't get all of them, right? You just can't get all of them. Dude, I am still trying to find a freaking decent pullback here, man. She is not giving me one right now. I got aggressive and tried to get in short at a previous 50 right here, but I'm pretty sure they're going to probably use it as support. So what I could probably do here is yeah, I guess what I could do here is put a limit right there and use it as they broke structure to the upside, so it's highly likely they'll come back here. Really? Oh, okay, okay. I didn't read your first message. Everybody's on the bandwagon for that Asian guy and that's how he refers to himself. The Asian guy videos. He's really been hyping Silver up. They've definitely been using his image. Is very recognizable now. A lot of people trust his videos without questioning it. It's very interesting how that came to be. I guess if you tell the truth, if you tell information that I guess is considered esoteric, like you got to be a part of a secret society to know this type of information, and what you say happens, people just blindly trust. And I'm not saying that the information that whoever that creator is providing is not accurate. But I mean, there's so many channels using his image or using that image. I'm pretty sure someone could be using it for misinformation. It's not a real person. The voice is AI, the image is AI. So I mean, anybody can use it. I don't know, dude. He has there's so many channels. There's so much channels. All you have to do is really type in Asia guy Silver, and you'll see a bunch of videos. I mean, he pumps out content every day. every hour almost, just pumping content out, talking about Silver. You don't shit. You would think that man having so much, you would think that damn Silver has this much to talk about. Yeah. I'm not playing that game anymore. Keep this shit simple. Not playing that game. Yeah. At this point, I'm just chasing Silver. At this point, this bitch is running away. She's playing games right now. She's just running. She's a runner. She's a track star, apparently. She's just running. And then we all know that that big drop is going to potentially happen. Nah, shit. I mean, my bad. Santiago. I mean, this thing has just been trending the entire day. I mean, yeah, it'll pull back, but it's going to catch late buyers. It's definitely going to catch late buyers. I see a stupid dump. But I guess with Silver, I guess, well, it really depends. It really depends, honestly. It really depends. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of orders right here. Sitting at 82. I mean, we could see a little pullback here. Could. But mm, Yeah. Yeah. I think we're gonna see another squeeze here. Mm, shit. If I wasn't as stubborn, I would have canceled my orders too. Like, this is complete madness. Silver is on a tear right now. From top to bottoms, I mean, shit, you're up like 20K on one contract. Probably even more than that. From the bottom of this move to the top of this move. Damn, just imagine being up 1,000 ticks on silver on a mini. You'd be up 25K right now. 25K. Yeah, they definitely are. They definitely are trying to fight this shit. I mean, can you blame them? Can you blame them? The market is going absolute crazy right now. Well, I guess you know how this market is going to short. When I finally get into this thing long at the top, it'll go short then. It'll go short then. Let me try to go long at 190. Watch it find its way to stop me out. This market, I freaking swear. Yep. Yep. Absorption, aggressiveness with no follow through equals squeeze in the opposite direction. Yeah. Yep. I'm looking at it right now. Shit, you already know I keep silver open. It's the only thing I look at on Bookmap. It's the only thing to watch, in my opinion. Currently. We still got 83, 23, 25 to pull back. And that's like a past 50 or something like that. All right, we're in. All right, let's see if the Bulls are going to step up. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, you're 75% fib? Man, okay. All right. Hmm. All right, dude. What's going on? What's going on? All right. What's going on? 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 They needed to stop me out of... Man. Oh my God, man. And man. All right, man. Okay. You see how it just finds a way to come back and stops me out. Just finds a way to find, man. All right, man. Did I hit daily loss limit? Okay. Yeah. Mm. All right. Well, What a horrible day. What a horrible day. A horrible day. No, I'm not in nothing right now. I got stopped out in both of my trades, and then I hit daily loss limit in the account. Good thing that was there because I was already in the mindset of blowing the account already. So good thing the daily loss limit was there. All right, well, I guess I might as well, for the rest of the stream, just sign these documentations so I can have might as well fill this out now. Yes. So I was done. Interesting. Yeah, this will probably be the last time. This will be the last time. 'Cause I'm reading the terms and conditions, and I mean, I knew that they had a payout cap, a weekly cap, but they have a weekly payout cap of $3,000. Hold on, it says to open and review before exceeding the 10,000 in total profits per account. All right, so a withdrawal is requested. The trader shall not trade their account until the funds have been removed. The trader must first reach their profitable goal. That any profits above that can be withdrawn. Following the weekly payout cap schedule. The minimum withdrawal amount is $250. The trader also agrees when in SIM-funded accounts to open an account, review through Blue Sky support before exceeding 10,000 in total profits per account. Failure to do so will result in forfeiture of profits or account. These reviews can take up to 5 trading days. If trader is called up to a live brokerage account during a review, up to 30K profits minus any payouts. 10K per account maximum minus any payouts. may be transferred to a new live brokerage account. Traders may also be placed under a trader development program during this review. Withdrawal requests can only be made when a trader's account is above the initial starting balance. So I can't even fucking well, my bad. I can't even degen in these accounts then. What's up with that? All right. I'm going to cancel my other two. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to reach out to support to make sure. But I thought before it was the weekly payout cap was at 10K. But now they're saying it's at 3K. I'm going to have to reach out to them and ask that. And they had like a $5,000 per day cap, $10,000 per week cap. So the initial starting balance is 3,500. So I'll start with 3,500 and the weekly payout cap is at 3K. Damn, that's crazy. A Blue Sky. Man, you keep telling me that, Alfred, but I keep telling you that shit. You already see me blowing non-trailing drawdown accounts. I'll blow that thing in a second. I'm not taking my damn profits, man. I just can't do that, man. I don't want to. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel my remaining two. I'm not gonna deal with that. I literally just traded 10 days, made 23K in this account. And my reward is a cap of $3,000. But let me reach out to them and see if I'm understanding this right. But this will definitely be my last account with them. Intraday trailing, I mean, shit, if it's when you're up, kind of like with Apex. If you're up $5,000 and it comes back to your break even, you're down $5,000. Plus, if it hits your stop. Now, if it pops back up and hits your target, then it doesn't matter. That's why having like a daily loss limit with Apex and stuff like that is kind of ridiculous because if you have a daily loss limit with Apex, you go up 2,000, it comes down 2,000 back to your break even. If you have a lockout feature, it'll lock your account out. You definitely have to take profits with these trailing accounts or man. So you're going back to 50Ks? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not playing the big account game anymore. My bad, guys. I'm not playing that game anymore. We're just not. Just not playing that game anymore. Hold on, give me one. Well, unfortunately, we are out of time for this session. Today, the Asian session and New York session has been. I lost more than $10,000 today. Just about $10,000 today. I don't know what the hell happened. And it's a very uncomfortable feeling. I don't know. I really don't know what the hell happened to them. So, but we'll definitely come back Sunday night though. Hopefully, whatever demon or market deity that may have been angered by my success, maybe they'll get over it and stop missing my entries, stop running my stops. And we can get back on track. But all right, guys, I do appreciate everybody that joined me this week. We'll definitely come back Sunday night, and we'll look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend, and keep on.